Guess who's back?
Hey beautiful people, it is your girl Patrice, and you're tuned into Be Spiffy, Be You, where confidence meets faith, beauty, and purpose. This is more than a vibe, it's a lifestyle. So sit back, feel the rhythm, and let's grow in grace and glow together. Always remember, be spiffy, be you.
In today's video, I'm going to share with you my wash routine, my wash day routine, and any products that I use in this video. Please be sure to look in my description box. I have listed everything there. And also remember, be spiffy and be you. I've had my locks for almost 14 years now, and one thing I can tell you is less is more. And I could stand on that, just like I do with the word of the Lord, okay? First product, or the first thing I use, is a tapered comb. This is how I keep my parts clean and neat during my retwists. It's precise, it's super reliable. You don't have to use a comb, you can always use your fingers. It's really your own preference. The next is the African black soap. I actually ran out of my DIY shampoo. The video will be in my description box of my DIY shampoo, but the African black soap always comes through. It gives a deep clean without stripping your locks. Just make sure you don't use it very often. The Joey Naturals My Gel. This gives me a sleek, clean retwist every single time. There's no flakes, there's no buildup. Just make sure you use a small amount. This Wonder Grow hair oil. This reminds me of the OG Wild Growth oil that I've used on my channel many years. It's light, it's clean, the ingredients are simple. It has olive oil, jojoba oil, clove leaf, sweet almond, eucalyptus, and vitamin E. There's no heaviness. So if you're looking for an oil, this is definitely a good one. Baskin Lather hair elixir. This is what I use on my edges only. It has Jamaican black castor oil, which is a thicker oil. Jamaican black castor oil is great for strengthening, thickening, and for growth. So it's perfect for those edges. The Baskin Lather Scalp Stimulator is what I use on my actual scalp. It's very clean ingredients: grapeseed oil, hemp seed oil, peppermint, and rosemary. It's light and effective, and it also smells really good. The Hydrating Mist from Baskin Lather, I love it because it keeps my hair moisturized all week. It has aloe vera, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, rosemary, lavender, lemongrass, and it's super refreshing and smells great too. Lastly is a microfiber towel, and it absorbs water fast. It helps my locks dry quicker, and I don't have to deal with lint, which we don't like, so it's a win-win. Okay, now it's time to wash. I always start by really working that water through my scalp and my locks because a clean foundation is everything. So I saturate my hair with water just to make sure every lock, every area of my hair is wet. And I like to wash my locks about 3 to 4 times just to make sure I get a good lather and every part of my locks and hair feels refreshed. When you've had locks for almost 14 years like me, you learn what your hair likes, what it doesn't, and what makes it, thrive and what keeps it thriving. And honestly, sometimes I don't even realize how long my hair has gotten until it's wash day, really feeling that weight and length. But even seeing it in video or pictures, I'm just like, wow, it's such a blessing to watch your hair grow with you. But as I'm washing my scalp, I'm always reminded of how God cares about every detail of us, even the hairs on our head. So I take this time to just breathe, to reset, and to just thank Him for growth, protection, and the journey. Not just the hair journey or the lock journey, but life. Self-care is not vanity. It's actually stewardship. God gave me this body, this crown, and I want to honor it. So in return, I feel like if you're watching this, I just want to encourage you to keep taking care of yourself spiritually, mentally, physically. Small routines like this are a reminder that maintenance matters. You don't have to be perfect, just be consistent. Lastly, after I finish that last rinse, I like to go through and squeeze each section of my locks to get as much water out as possible. And this makes drying so much easier, especially before I wrap it with my microfiber cloth. You guys, my hair is so long, but I'm grateful, and I just want you to be encouraged even through watching me wash my locks. Giving Rapunzel. Go ahead and use my scalp stimulator on my hair before I begin retwisting.
Young people going to stand up real quick. Come on. Yo, everybody, go get your bounce on. Get your bounce on. Get your bounce on. Don't be cute with it. You gotta get home. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Sing it.
When I close my eyes, I think of you. When I miss all the things you do. Can't imagine my life without you. It's like paradise now. I know it is real. It's all a mystery. It's all you can get just for me. What you do count on me makes me wanna love you more. I never knew I could be so happy. I never knew I'd be so secure. Because of your love, I'm a brand new beginning. It's gonna be a bright day, bright day.
Come on, everybody.
Never thought that I was done again. I never thought the dark path would end. I never thought that I could have a friend that'll keep me, never leave me alone. She's just my everything, the only one that makes my heart sing. Now I know what real means. It's everlasting, lasting. I never knew I could be so happy. I never knew I'd be so secure. Because of your love, I'm a brand new beginning. It's gonna be a bright day.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, please leave your questions down below in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. And also, I will be making content again. This is exciting. So be sure to keep your notifications on and subscribe to my channel for more content.
Bright day.